Hello, Driving Intelligence community. I'm on vacation in Florida, getting a little beach time, and I wanted to stay in touch, so I thought I would share some vintage reels from Fox Body Mustang Manufacturing and also Fox Body Mustang SSP, or Special Service Package, where the law enforcement bought a ton of these across the country for their Interceptor work or other law enforcement work. As a matter of fact, one of my friends, when I lived in Greenville, South Carolina in the early 90s, got one of these notch Fox Body Mustangs with the 5-liter, upgraded with the SSP package, and also it had since Michelin's close by to Greenville, South Carolina, they provided wheel and tire packages to the highway patrol. So this car was super badass, excuse my language. Had, I don't know if it was 18 or 20-inch rims on it, and it was a red color. That thing was super strong and super cool to watch. 5-speed manual transmission for a highway patrol Interceptor. So I thought you'd enjoy this while I'm on vacation, and if you're not a Fox Body fan, maybe you'll become one after watching this. See you when I get back to Greenville, South Carolina.
The Ford Motor Company first offered to police a Special Pursuit Package Ford Mustang in 1982. Since then, interest by law enforcement has expanded, and Mustangs are currently being used by 28 state police and highway patrol agencies. Though uses vary, most agencies have designated them as speed enforcement vehicles on interstate highways. Most report them to be effective, reliable, and cost-efficient. In 1988, the Michigan State Police decided to purchase 14 Mustangs with the Special Pursuit Package to evaluate their usefulness for traffic enforcement. In May 1989, the vehicles were delivered to Lansing for final modification and distribution to the field. This videotape is designed to provide you with a brief orientation of the Ford Mustang.
The Fox Mustang platform is one of the most popular models of all Mustangs ever produced. Spanning the years 1979 to 1993, Ford built over 2.6 million Fox Mustangs. Highest production was the year of its debut in 1979 with almost 370,000 built, 20 years since the first Mustang drove off the assembly line and almost matching 1965 production numbers of over 400,000 cars. The lowest production year was 1992 with just over 79,000 units built. The most rare production Fox Mustang was the 1993 Mustang Cobra R with only 107 total units built. My favorite Fox Mustangs are the 93 Cobra and the SVO Mustang built from 1984 to 1986. Also very rare at less than 10,000 units built over 3 years. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of nostalgia. Don't forget that like, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.